go through the game, but before you just are building up your adrenaline and you want to go out there and spend it all and enjoy because these are the best games to enjoy football for the fans and for the players.
Yeah. Okay. Well, this game may not decide who wins the title, but it may well decide who loses it. Your commentary team, high up at the Santiago Bernabeu, Jerry Armstrong and Rob Palmer.
You say we're high up. I imagine they can see this stadium from the moon this evening. 400 million pairs of eyes are cast on the beautifully illuminated Estadio Bernabeu, a lush green stage where some of the greatest ever entertainers from maybe that man Alberto Undiana-Mayenko, the 9th time he's taken charge of El Gran Clasico. Well, there's the one. Can he shake up Alves? That is a good strong tackle. We have to say the Spanish media today is one of the referees that lets things go. Here is Neymar, one-on-one situation, and he forces the first save of the evening from Diego Lopez.
Good play on the break.
That's the Pion they play in the cup final. But here is Benzema, bearing down on goal. That's the man who scored that goal after 23 seconds a couple of years back.
Well,
back Fabregas. Ball is teased up there, and there's certainly a case to consider.
I think he felt the contact. Cristiano was backpedaling. Dani Alves just didn't let him go anywhere. And
shutouts in 11 games here.
Yeah, Rob, you're right. 42 goals for and only 10 conceded. Here's Lionel Messi.
Here's Messi. On the blind side is Iniesta! Did he make that pay? Lightning strikes at the Bernabeu.
Well, he's not been in the goals this season that much, but look at this finish. Lovely time pass from Messi. What a left foot strike. He scored a cracker with his left foot last week. Well, but look at this first touch out from underneath his feet. That is a thunderous strike. And no way Diego Lopez is going to stop that. What a goal.
Trying to feed it to Benzema. There's a foul off the ball. Benzema continues. And no strength in the shot.
Yeah, good break there from Gareth Bale. Showed that athleticism and the turn of pace through the middle and then fed the ball well to Benzema. Cause a problem for Victor Valdez.
Marcelo. Di Maria better feet this time. Swiftly into the area. Lets it back. Benzema! Fluffs his lines on the big stage.
Well, that was nothing short of sensational, the run from that man, Di Maria. What a run. He's gone past 3 or 4 Barcelona players like they're standing still. And he tees it up so nicely here for Karim Benzema. What?
For many years, because Barcelona control the ball. Look at that, the control from Messi. Bang on side. Can he finish it? No. Lionel Messi couldn't.
Wow. What a great chance for the little man to increase the lead. And there's a lot of people appealing for offside. Appealing for
company on the far side. He decides to go solo. Neymar stopped at first base by Pepe. Di Maria, brilliant ball again into Benzema. Ronaldo, chance. No, took it off. 30 out of the last 31 only. Of course, Atletico Madrid, crucially, beat them here this season.
Oh, look at Messi,
great ball. Neymar takes it in his stride, has to steady himself. Stopped once by Pepe, and then Di Maria's cross. Benzema fighting. What a goal! Well, Valdez got a hand to it. He'll feel he should have kept it out, but Benzema is away celebrating.
Well, this game's certainly living up to the billing, Rob. That's a fabulous cross from Di Maria, who's been on form from the first kick-off. And you're right, you can see the shake of the head from Victor Valdez. He does get a hand to it. But the power in the header, it's generated from this cross. He towers above everybody, Karim Benzema. Super cross from Di Maria. Look at that header. And he gets his hand to it. It's just too powerful. He can't stop it. We've got a football tonight.
Entertaining, enthralling. Always exciting. Fourth of the game gone. Di Maria has space, cuts it in. Benzema! He's second!
My goodness.
Di Maria got off his sick bed
have missed the sitter in the first 7 or 8 minutes, Karim Benzema, but he's made up for it since. And once again, Di Maria's haven't done this left-hand side, Rob. He is on fire. I don't know what sort of medicine the physios gave him on the touchline, but he's come back again, bigger and better. Look at this. Lovely run, plenty of space, head up, cuts it in, chest control. I think that's the plan given to Di Maria.
Di Maria is having an exceptional game. Gets the cross in, Benzema waiting, his hat-trick is denied by Piqué. How this game has turned.
Rob, I don't know how he's getting past him. Di Maria looks like he's been caught. He just...
Neymar has switched wings. Comes in from the left-hand side. Given some rough treatments in the first yellow card of the evening. He's shown to Angel Di Maria.
Yeah, it's a bad challenge.
Messi tries to quicken the game. Bounces off Ramos, plays it into Neymar. Slow to react, but Messi's not! Oh, little Messi individually brings Barcelona back into the game.
There's a problem. Incident off the ball, Rob.
And the referee instinctively reaches for the card. And it had been a rather friendly Clasico until that point.
Well, Pepe's down and out.
To Di Maria, cuts it in, Ronaldo, haymaker away. Camo crossed the line, Benzema,
Oh my goodness.
He scored 2, he could have had 5.
Wow. Well, he's had one cleared off the line by Gerard Piqué. This one is so close to the far post.
To the billing, Iniesta giving Barcelona the lead, then Benzema with the brace, then Lionel Messi took it upon himself to inspire Barcelona. A record breaking have been exceptional so far. Which way will it sway? No. Great run from Gareth Bale. Bale to Benzema.
What a
brilliant stop by Valdez. Danger hasn't gone away. Cristiano Ronaldo. Di Maria over the head of Benzema. Bale comes flying in. But the referee saw that as a foul.
That's a good challenge, I thought. It was hung up at the far post. But
now Ronaldo into the area where they have to be careful. He's down. It's a penalty. As soon as he crossed the white line, the alarms were flashing.
Dani Alves isn't happy. He was the culprit, Rob. Great feat. Great feat. I don't know what Sergio Ramos asking. Is he Ronaldo scores it?
Ronaldo! At it again! On the big stage, in the big game, he gets the big goal.
26 in the league, Rob. 42 goals for the season. A massive, massive goal. Oh. Super goal. Great strike. Keeper guesses the right way, but Chris...
Well, the home supporters crank up the volume. They know that it's not safe yet, though. Ronaldo cuts it across. Benzema regains a little lovely backflip. Bale, and it needed saving. Valdez got all of his angles correctly worked out.
Oh, when these front three are on song, Ronaldo cuts it back here for Karim Benzema.
In the movement in the centre. Comes out to Iniesta. Oh, some shot.
Oh, it looks like it's taken a flexion, I'll tell you what. It's a snapshot from the edge of the box, left-footed again.
Neymar. No, Messi.
Good ball.
Perfect pass. Neymar, big chance, taken down. That's a penalty.
A red.
And a red. Well, the law says it has to be a clear goal-scoring opportunity. Some may say he was going away from goal, but even then he had a chance of scoring. And Sergio Ramos, who has a pretty big rap sheet, gets his 19th red career red card of his career.
Well, is he off?
The world's eyes are watching Messi.
Wow.
And Messi does what Ronaldo did and makes it 3-3.
Very emphatic finish, that one. Steady run up and hammered it with the left foot.
Well, 6 goals so far, but Real Madrid notably a man down. And you know they're going to try to do everything to try to even things out.
Well, Busquets is getting booked for this one.
Free header for Busquets. Barcelona playing games here with Real Madrid. Alves crashes off the post, falls to Pedro, scrambled away by Rafael Varane.
What a strike from Dani Alves outside the box, Rob. You can see it's teed up here by Messi. One touch, bang, bottom right hand post, straight out again. How lucky was that? Lucky for
Mascherano. Be rarity if he scored.
Couple of seasons at least, isn't it?
4, Jerry. 4 years since he last scored a goal.
Oh, great
Brilliant
feat
from Iniesta.
Great feat and great recovery. And Xavi played the game after that, and they haven't lost since.
Iniesta goes down, and the referee took no time at all to give the 3rd penalty of the match.
I have to say, it didn't look, my first reaction was it didn't look like a penalty. Did not look like a penalty.
Well, Senor Alberto Undiana-Mayenko was perfectly placed.
They need to win the game.
He did miss a penalty against Atletico. He has scored tonight. Even the great Lionel Messi looks a little pensive. It's Messi, and it's a massive goal in La Liga. It keeps Barcelona's season alive, and it may mean that it's not goodbye to Tata Martino just yet. A Lionel Messi hat-trick. The little genius has done it again.
There's a substitution, warmed up, stripped off. It's Isco down in the touchline. He's going to come on. I don't know who's going to be replacing.
A little John Aldridge shuffle there from Messi. And now we have another big decision.
It's a yellow card for
Cristiano Ronaldo. Frustration is boiling over.
Well, he certainly was backing into Mascherano.
Just 2.5 minutes remaining in this game. All hinged on the Sergio Ramos sending off. Now Modric is in hot water.
Well, he's late there, and it looks like
I heard somebody drop a pin down at touchline level. It's that quiet inside the Bernabeu. And the referee signals the end of a dramatic match where the referee has been a central figure in it. 2 penalties, a red card, a Messi hat-trick, a goal early on. He's had everything. You can see the Barcelona players celebrating.